Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, if you have a Nest Protect and it's expiring soon, you're going to realize that you can't buy them anymore. Nest went to Google, and then Google has First Alert make these now. The beauty about the First Alert is if you already have a Nest Protect in your house, the installation is super simple. And I'm going to show you why. In the basement, I already have one installed. It's going to expire in a few days, but it has a connector. So I can just connect it to my Nest Protect wiring with this jumper and then plug it in. And also, it utilizes the same base. So I don't even have to install this. So all it is, it's going to be a matter of plugging this in, putting that back on, pull the tab, and set it up. So here it is right here. I don't have to touch any existing wiring, and it's a little off right there in case you're wondering, is because I tried to center it before and it wouldn't screw on. So if this is the right size, I should be able to get it on with no problems, hopefully. So what we gotta do is disconnect that. So we just gotta take that, pull that pin out, and we're out. So size-wise, they're pretty close. We're gonna find out if they're gonna fit. So I got my little jumper here, and looks like I just have to, plug it in the right way, as such. All right, so there it is, plugged in. So I take this, plug it in, take my wires.
Welcome to your first alert smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. For English, press the button now. The battery is low. Replace now. Ready to pair. Open the first alert app and follow the instructions to connect your device.
This is my first mistake. You have to download the First Alert app and then download the Google Home app to connect them both. I was hoping you can connect it to the Nest app, and no. So I think this is kind of stupid. So now I gotta hold this.
Release now to reboot. Release now to enable Bluetooth. Ready to pair. Open the First Alert app and follow the instructions to connect your device.
Yes, it is blinking. I just scanned it. Now it's doing its thing. It's connected. Basement, English. I understand. Connect to Wi-Fi. Right now, just using the app, trying to connect to Wi-Fi. I think the idea that you have to have all these apps is kind of a fail. So now, I don't have any more. Now I got to link with my Google account. And if I go into my Google account, just wait. Yes, continue.
Testing smoke. Testing carbon monoxide. Highest level of carbon monoxide was 0 ppm. Test complete. Everything looks good.
So the sad part is I really like using the Nest Protect app, but apparently I guess we can't use that anymore because now it only reads the hallway. I don't know how I feel about the Google Home app versus the Nest. I guess you don't really have a choice. So I have to download 2 extra apps to get this to work. Oh, it's installed now. Try to... There we go. It's installed. There you have it. Am I happy with it? I'm not sure. I like the accessibility, that it was easy to connect. Didn't have to turn off the power or anything. Uses the same connectors. However, as of right now, it doesn't connect to the Nest app. So I either have to go to its original app or the Google Home app, which is kind of sad, but it is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next one. Take care.